Hello students, this is a guide to help you with your research, and I hope it makes the process easier for you. So the first thing you have to do is decide on a topic, and once you've decided on your topic, then you need to search the databases to find evidence for your topic. And you start right here at the My DC CCCD tab, and over on the far right it has databases, search for articles. So you open that up, and there are a ton of databases. The ones that will help you most will be Opposing Viewpoints and CQ Researcher. Opposing Viewpoints offers the various opinions on one topic, and this is what's nice, especially if you're somewhat undecided and you're just trying to figure out the issue and where to go. CQ Researcher does offer different viewpoints, but you have to dig through a bunch of files to find them. I will show you an example from Opposing Viewpoints. Once you click into the database, you can look at the main hot topics that are trending right now. Or you can, let's say I know I want to research childhood obesity. I would go to Health and Medicine and view all, and sure enough, it's right here, childhood obesity. Or I can just put it in the search engine or the search bar and search for the viewpoints, and it's right here. This top part just gives an overview, which is nice to use because it provides possible topics that you might want to research more. Okay, and so as you read, what you need to do is take notes. And this is some of the problems: depression, loss of self-esteem, anxiety, which frequently occur with obesity, can interfere in learning. So I would highlight that and I would put a note. And so this is emotional, social issues. Okay. By tagging it, by creating this note, it kind of gives me a category of what I might research. Okay. Ooh, obese children are target of bullies. That's another social problem tied to obesity, so I would put that there. Okay. And then I would just keep reading the article. Everything that I find is, I'll highlight, I'll take a note. Here's the obesity has increased over the last decades. That's just a fact or a statistic, which I could use for background information. Okay. They found obesity increased right here, more facts. Wow. We have 12.5 million obese children in 2009. Facts. And again, I'm going to use this in the background information, which will probably be one of my first paragraphs. Maybe my second paragraph right after my intro, my hook. Okay, so you would just continue to go through this. Here's one of the causes. Cause of, one of the causes. Fast food, a cause. Okay, I'm sure you get the idea. What's nice about the opposing viewpoints, once you've read the entire article and you've highlighted and taken all your notes that you need to take, you can go here and it's consolidated under one page. Now the problem is once you've logged out of the system, the notes disappear. Okay, the highlights might still be there, but your notes are gone. So what I do is I highlight all the notes, Control copy, and I paste it into one of a Google Doc so I can work on it. And so I've just pasted the information here, and I've also gone through and, oh, where's the article? Right here. I've gone through, and at the very, very bottom is my source citation. So I would copy this right there, Control copy, go to my database. I've done quite a bit of this, as you can tell. And paste my citation here, and then I would paste my notes. Okay, right here. Copy all my notes and paste them right under the citation. This helps because now the paragraphs start to form in my head. Like I know I'm going to have a paragraph about the emotional social issues. I'm going to have a paragraph about the health issues. I'm going to have a paragraph about the various or several paragraphs about the different causes. Fast food is a cause, marketing is a cause, parent or lack of parental guidance is a cause, or the parents' eating habits is a cause, and inactivity is a cause. I've already done the research, so I know my causes, and that's how I will organize my paragraphs by the various causes and by the various effects, and then some solutions perhaps. And so this helps me do this. By planning ahead, I've got my notes all organized. Now, I love this other database. It's a CQ Researcher. The only problem is it's not as user friendly as far as saving the notes. Okay, and so what I did is I scrolled down to the very end. Right here, you have the APA citation on these. I don't want APA, I want MLA. And so I will say change to MLA. There, I got my citation information. I will copy that, paste it in my document, and it's right here. And then as I read the article, what's better about this one in the CQ Researcher is it doesn't like store it for you in one place, or I haven't found out how to do that. So really you have to highlight your source and then copy and paste it right here. Okay, these are two sources I got from that. Once you've done this, your writing your outline is so easy. Okay, and all you have to do for your outline is make a new document, give it a title, and then start typing. I'm not sure what my thesis is. I'm not going to know my thesis until I've written my paper, really. Will have the first paragraph will be my introduction with my thesis. The second paragraph will be about my background information. And so when I go to my other document, which I have to open again, right here, I had several quotes for background information. It was at the end. And so I'm going to, these are all solutions from my earlier research right here, fast food, statistic, background. So I'm going to start copying this. Control copy, put it in my outline, control paste. I do have to make sure that I've put the parenthetical citation, which is the first word or phrase, 2 words of the citation. This doesn't have a writer or an author, so there's no last name. I'm just going to write childhood obesity right there. That's my source. And I will continue to do this until social background information. I got that. Here's more background information, facts and statistics. So I'm going to copy that, plop it into my outline. And again, it's the same source right here. I will go through all of my sources and get all of my background information and put it here. Okay, once I've done that, I will start with my next Roman numeral, which will be, let's say one of the causes, a cause is fast food. Let's make it broader. Poor eating habits. And then I will go back to my research and copy and paste. Okay. Once you have done this, all you have to do, once you have this outline done, right here, this will be good. More than double, this is another another background information that I'll put into my outline. Put that in there. I need to get the right citation there. And it's kind of, that's Greenblatt. That's his name. Okay, poor eating habits. I think he said something about right here. U.S. food, high fat, high sugar. That would be good for poor eating habits. So I will copy that and put that into my outline. Okay. I'm not going to do this entire thing for you guys. I just want you to see how much easier this is. Okay. Once I have my outline finished, I have all my evidence in the outline. I have my outline organized, so I know how many paragraphs I'm going to have, what the topic of each paragraph is. Then I will turn this outline into a paper, and I'll show you how to do that on the next video.